Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to talk about a new VPN called Shield VPN Tunnel. This VPN has its own fast servers and supports many protocols for unlimited and secure browsing. Make sure you watch this video till the end, and please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let us get started. First of all, open any browser, like Chrome or any other browser. In the search bar, type VPN Tunnel and press Enter. From the search results, tap on the official Shield VPN Tunnel website. You will land on its homepage. Once you are on the homepage, tap on the menu icon. A list of options will appear. From the list, tap on Free VPN to proceed. On the VPN page, you will see different VPN options. Tap on Shield VPN Tunnel to download the app. Now tap on the Install button to start downloading the VPN. It may take a few minutes to download and install, so please wait. Once Shield VPN Tunnel is installed, you will see an Open button. Tap on it to launch the VPN. When the VPN launches, you will be redirected to the home screen of Shield VPN Tunnel. You may see a notification permission request. You can allow or cancel it. On the home screen, make sure your mobile data is on so the VPN can load available servers. Once the servers are updated, the VPN may restart automatically. Wait a few seconds. Now let us talk about the VPN interface. This VPN has two main sections, one for selecting servers and the other for choosing protocols. To select a server, tap on the server section. You will see a list of different server locations. Choose any server you want to use. You can change it anytime. After selecting the server, you can choose a protocol. Tap on the Tweaks button and you will see a list of built-in protocols. Scroll through the list and select the one that works best for you. You can choose either a built-in method or use custom settings. In custom settings, set a name for your tweak, choose a protocol type, and enter an SNI if you want to use SSL. You can also try other available settings. Once everything is set up, go back to the home screen. You will see a big Start button. Tap on it to connect the VPN. It will connect within a few seconds. After connecting the VPN, open your browser again and go to the website What is my IP address? On the homepage, you will see your current IP address and location details. If the VPN is working correctly, your IP address and location will be changed according to the server you selected. That is it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.